Design Layers is a collaboration between designers, engineers and academics from the UK and Kenya. The project is looking at 3D printing and applications of this technology. We're looking at new innovations, we're looking at embedding 3D printing in education, and we're looking at business opportunities for growth in the industry.
I am a senior technologist in the School of the Arts and Design. We are able, as a school, to use the 3D printing for our students' project.
There are no shower heads in our school, so I decided to do a custom-made shower head. I see a great future ahead because you can do anything with a 3D printer.
I believe being resourceful is very important because especially hailing from Africa, hailing from Kenya, I believe we need to take charge and control our own narrative. We need to, as Kenyans or as Africans, create solutions for ourselves. There was a set of conjoined twins that were separated at Kenyatta Hospital. So we printed a model of the pelvis, which the doctors use to rehearse the surgery.
Being able to realize my ideas, because I've had many ideas but didn't know how best I can prototype them or even produce them. There are a number of projects ranging from the very high tech to very low end tech. We have IoT devices that basically communicate with one another, like this Crystal Quad 3D printer. I'm working on a Smarticon wheelchair and many others.
We've started by creating our own 3D printers from scratch, using recycled materials and also using the printers to print other printers. So the first project we're working on is trying to make sure that we can make filament out of PET bottles and then turning those bottles into usable material. So we have one product that we have right now, which is a microscope. So we are making microscope out of recycled PET bottles.
In northwest Tanzania, they've actually been using the printer to make prosthetics. So that's for people who have disabilities, and they've been able to print using the 3D printer prosthetics to aid them in their day-to-day life. So I think that's been a good achievement for us.
There's a lot of creativity in Kenya, and 3D printing can really help accelerate that process of product design here.